was an incredible success. We kicked it off today with the Barataria South Secondary School, and we had 50 students participate. Right, let me see if we can carry it a little higher. Say yeah, yeah. All right, now that's the standard we're looking at for the rest of the day, okay? I am Nicole Thomas, and I'm your facilitator for today. The reason why I'm doing this is because for me, I went to Tranquility Government Secondary School, and during my time there, no one during my 5 years came to do anything career development or anything like that for us. I live in the San Juan area, and I wanted to be able to give back to you guys, help you understand how to prepare for the world of work. I want you guys to understand when you go into the workplace, there's a certain expectation. You need to look a particular way, you need to posture yourself a particular way, and if you don't get help to understand what's expected, then you won't know. And I want you guys to be successful because you guys are our future leaders. So open your handbook and let's go to 5 levels of business attire.
And success is defined for everybody differently. Success is not always $1 million, a Mercedes-Benz, and a big house and whatever. That is success for some people. Acquisition of wealth is one aspect of being successful. But being successful could be showing up to class every single day. That is a form of success. Getting your subjects to school is a form of success. Doing something for your community, an elderly person, that is a form of success. And too often I feel like we aim only for one image of success instead of looking at all the different ways that we can be successful.
Some of us here might have heard the same things or might be going through the same things that I went through. Somebody tell you, hey, you ain't good at nothing, boy. You ain't good at this, you ain't good at that. You ain't good in your schoolwork, you ain't gonna come out good to nothing. Boy, you can't make the team, boy. You ain't good at all. Some of you might be in a better position than I was. But yet still, I was able to find my pathway in life and find some level of success. If I could do it all, yeah? Every single one, all they could do it. Watch your person next year and say you could do it.
The workshop experience was informative as well as very encouraging. Even for me as a current professional, it allowed me to remember and learn new things that would benefit me in my current world of work. It was a great experience. It was amazing to watch the youth really interact and gain knowledge of what they now will expect when they go out into the world of work. They would be going not with the blinders on, but they would have the right tools with initiatives like this because they also tie in and represent what the brands that we represent stand for. Self-care, self-love, confidence. This sort of workshop really allowed for the youth to gain that and to gain the knowledge so that they can go out there confidently in the world of work.
Also, after CXC, some people want to jump to A-levels, but depending on your route, you can also go straight into a degree. So ensure that you know your roots, what you want in life, and ensure that you stick to it because it's about determination and commitment. Yeah? You have sidetracks, things will sidetrack you. You go meet a little fella, the fella go meet a little girl, but keep a focus. So the word today is what? Focus. Yeah. So let me go again, Bob Marley. What about the one heart? What about the let's get together and you feeling it? As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Oh, and what? And I will feel alright. Singing, oh, don't you worry. Everybody get off your chairs. Come on, come on, come on. Because that's right. Put your hand in the air because we're singing down. Don't worry. Get up off your chair. Get up off your chair because alright. It's gonna be alright because we're singing don't you worry.
Hi, my name is Misha Pran. I'm a teacher at Barataria South Secondary School, and today we participated in a workshop facilitated by Miss Nicole Thomas. The workshop was very insightful. Our students gained a wealth of knowledge. They were trained in a number of skills that can help them professionally when they leave school to go out into the world of employment. They were exposed to talks about communication, leadership, time management, and all of the tools that are necessary for building a professional individual. What I especially liked about the workshop today was the use of our local celebrities who would have shared their stories, which were very encouraging and helpful to our students because it showed them that they can be whatever they want to be, and the real life stories were very relatable for them. Overall, I think it was a really good experience, and it was a very helpful tool for our students for the future.
My name is Shondell Grooming, the president of Barataria South Student Council. Today's workshop, Building Professional Skills, has given me more assurance and more confidence of who I want to become in life. My goal in life is to be a Caribbean history teacher, and this workshop has show me that I have the potential of being a teacher. It shows me that discipline, it shows me how I present myself and attitude or says about you. So I just want to thank Miss Nicole for having this workshop that impacted on my life, that I am now able and prepared to be someone greater in the future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adessa Hamilton. I attend Barataria South Secondary, and today for the Building Professional Skills workshop, I learned that the way you dress says a lot about yourself, and there's levels to your attire for whether it's business meetings or business interviews for a position, how to write a resume. I find that those things are really important in today's society because not a lot of people is teaching that to our youth of today. And I had a little bit more knowledge about personal hygiene and stuff, and I found it was really educating and wonderful today.
My name is Tanisha John, and I also attend Barataria South Sec, and I also learned today in the workshop that dressing is a big part of the way you look. How people will look at you and look at your character, and that you have to have discipline in order to get what you want in this world and this life. Because if you don't have discipline, you basically have nothing, and a lot of youths does not have discipline and doesn't understand the true meaning of discipline. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Naomi Simmons. I am going by Attire South Secondary School. I represent the Student Council. I am the PRO for my school. And today, I have learned many things during this workshop about hygiene, planning my goals, and going forward to what I want to be in this life. It may not be easy, but little by little, I will reach somewhere. And I want to thank everybody and Miss Nicole for doing this workshop to benefit our students who have went on this field trip. I want to give you much love and thank you for having us today.
My name is Anushka Andrews. I attend Barataria South Secondary School. I am the Vice President on the Student Council. I learn about discipline, punctuality, the way you dress, tells people a lot about you and your attire. Learn to speak properly, posture and stuff like that.
Be positive,
stay positive,
and act positive.
Guys,
I'm immensely grateful for this. This is the first of 12 schools for this school tour. I'm very excited about it, and I look forward to just taking this across the country and just sharing with all students the importance of dressing for success, how to present themselves for interviews, what are some of the things employers look for when they're writing resumes, how to conduct yourself in meetings, on social media, and so many other things that will help them as professionals in the world of work. I'm so excited to have been given this opportunity by the Ministry of Education, and I look forward to meeting more and more students.
We are BSSS people, we can pass any test. We can climb the highest mountains, we'll be the very best. We can go for more, but we cannot stand for less. Cause we are the people of BSSS. And we want to take a road. It may seem very hard to travel. Even a little wrong will be very bad. But we are very strong. We know where we belong. We put our hearts and soul. We're going to get a road. We are BSSS people. We can pass any test. We can climb the highest mountains. We'll be the very best. We can go for more, but we cannot stand for less. Cause we are the people